Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to delve into the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a smartphone that's already creating a buzz. With its premium design and powerful features, let's uncover what makes this device so enticing. Striking design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is bound to turn heads with its stunning titanium gold finish. This luxurious color not only exudes elegance but also ensures the device stands out. The titanium gold merges the durability of titanium with a sleek sheen, delivering an unmistakably premium feel. Samsung has enhanced the design by minimizing bezels around the screen. The ultra-thin symmetrical bezels allow the display to take center stage, creating an almost bezel-less experience that enhances immersion, perfect for videos, gaming, or browsing. These bezels serve a dual purpose. They expand the display area for an unobstructed viewing experience and contribute to a balanced, modern aesthetic. Lightweight and ergonomic. Beyond its striking look, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is crafted for comfort. Its lightweight frame ensures ease of use during extended periods, while the flat frame design, similar to Apple's iPhone, provides a sturdy, well-balanced feel for effortless navigation, whether you're texting or gaming. Powerful specifications. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to impress. Rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, it promises to handle demanding apps and multitasking seamlessly. Gamers, content creators, and anyone who relies on their smartphone will appreciate the smooth performance this chipset offers. Additionally, the anticipated dedicated S Pen slot caters to productivity enthusiasts, showcasing Samsung's commitment to blending style with functionality, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a versatile tool for both work and leisure. Anticipated release date. The launch of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is highly anticipated, expected in early next year, likely between January and March. Although the exact date hasn't been revealed, this timing strategically captures consumer interest post-holidays, when many are eager to invest in new tech. An early-year release also helps Samsung sidestep competition with other major holiday launches. Aligning with significant tech events, like CES, offers a prime platform to showcase innovations and generate media buzz. Conclusion. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to be an exciting addition to the smartphone market. With its luxurious finish, ultra-thin bezels, lightweight design, dedicated S Pen slot, and powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, it strikes a perfect balance between style and functionality. As the release date approaches, more details will emerge, making this an exciting time for tech enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates in technology.